Hello guys, welcome to the BFP No Split as resort. This is the exit as of BFP 16. This is the teams as BFP 16. Okay, let's start. First, the losers are UFE. Safe are Coiny, Pin, Needle, Luck, Leafy, and Cake. Again, Fiery in the bottom two. Shortcut from yesterday. Eggy. Eggy become annoying in BFB 15. Fiery. Before he wins season 1. Because he wins season 1. But he's his favorite character. And the last one is Fiery. That by Eggy. Eggy is eliminated. Goodbye, Eggy. So I forgive a person of YouTube. I forgive a person of YouTube. Sorry for this. Okay, winner joins the beep. Winner joins the beep. And the one who will debut is winner. So winner is the best favorite character ever in season 4. Okay, we're now to that pack is UFE. Save R 3, 10, pillow, bottle, and remote. Black hole and pie in the bottom 2. Black hole sucking things up in the pie, being annoying for no reason. And this is BFB 19, of course. Because of BFB 18, winner defeats the game, and the last one safe is the black hole one by Pie. Pie is eliminated by Pie. Okay, so we're going to have a rejoin for today. If I call their names, that means they don't rejoin. Heidi Jr., Big Ball, Nobody, David and Zora, Kai, Matt, I know. The rest all of this. And the top 4 are Pencil, Bracelet, Lion Loser, Bracelet. The top 3. The one who will rejoin is Loser. I will make him rejoin on Team Ice. So, go Loser. I feel, but he's my least joke. I do think Loser is the very best one ever. So, he rejoins the game. The one up for elimination, Nerd. It's BFB 20. BFB 20? No. I mean BFB. Oh yes, BFB 21 now. So free food is UFE. Safe are Eraser, Marker, Fries, Yellow Boy, and Bell. Foldy and Puffball in the bottom 2. Foldy, pushing flower in BFB 11, pushing flower in BFB 11 and make Ions loss. Puffball, you make your team loss in BFTA 5D. Yeah. Okay, and the last person safe is Puffball. Goodbye, Foldy 1. Bye-bye, Foldy. Next person, UFER next team are UFR. So, and the first one, so, Safe are Teardrop, the Book, Taco, Saw, and Gaily. Ice Cube and Lollipop in the bottom two. Ice Cube, the revenge bottle. I hate, but she's my least favorite character at all. Lollipop, my neutral character in over BFB. So I don't have reason on him. Okay, so and the last person safe is Ice Cube. And by Lollipop. So we're going to make things faster on. I better name than that. The person limited is TV. This is BFB. So BFB 25. The UFE are the losers again. Versus safe are Coiny, Pin, Needle, Cake, and Clock. Fiery and Leafy in the bottom two. Fiery, same as opinion as yesterday. Leafy, my favorite character as the worst to best, but she stole Dream Island. Okay, so and the last one safe are Leafy and Fiery. Bye bye, because you won season 1. Perfect. Now, and the next UFE is Ions. Safe are Bubble, Ruby, Lightning, and Flower. Rainy and Snowball in the bottom two. Rainy, the I hate you thing is possible. Snowball, worst in BFDI. Okay, so and the last one safe are Fanny. And by Snowball, Snowball is eliminated. The person UFE are a better name than that. Team UFE pala. No, not a better name than that. It's Beat. The one who never lose. Safe are Cloudy, Winner, Palumi, and Nickel. Rocky and Woody in the bottom two. Rocky. The barf is I don't know the reason. Woody. The screen thing has anything you want. So, the person in the last one so far, Woody. And by Rocky 1, this is the team's recipe of this BFP 27 or BFP 28. Let me check. I will make this video break. BFP 28. The UFE is Team Ice Cube. Okay. Safe are Donut, Barf Bag, Ibomi, Barf Bag, and Naily. Gelatin and Loser in the bottom two. Gelatin. I don't know the reason. Loser. The one who is annoying but still the rejoiner. And the last one safe is Loser because he's a rejoiner. And by Jelly Boy. Yappy 29. Yeah. The team UFE is a better name than that. Okay, so a better name than that's UFE. Safe are tennis ball, blocky, grassy, and basketball. Golf ball and robot flower in the bottom two. Golf ball, bossy bot, robot flower, annoying like put me off or crush you. And the last one safe is golf ball. And bye robot flower. CFP 30. The next CFP is the 8 names at once. And the person and the UFE are teardrop, ice, no, charcoal, brook, and salt. Katie and Tim Ice Cube are UFE. Katie. I will never know the reason. Ice Cube is eliminated for once, and Katie is the last one safe at all. Daddy Ho! Daddy Ho! And Daddy Ho! Next, Jetpack and the Jetpack are UFE. Wow, another crossbow and everything sucks. Safe are pen, TV, remote, and black hole. Bottle and pillow in the bottom two. And the last one safe are button. See a pillow. Pillow is eliminated. Okay. The one who will free food and the losers will double elimination. Same as the power of two. Safe are Leafy, Coiny, Pin, and Sneezer. Cake and Clock in the bottom two. Clock is safe. And by Cake. And the last UFER before team swap is. But wait a minute, we're going to have a rejoin for today. The one who will eliminate is softball and fries. And we're going to have a rejoineries bracelet. No, I mean live. So we're going to have a team swap in. So BFP 34 tomorrow and team swap. So this is the remaining teams. Also, see you in BFP. See you all in BFP 34.